girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a great and cool band here, GRETA Van Fleet. This one is called Sacred Thread. So a great cool song, and we will do this a little bit scaled down here, so to speak. It's a band here. We have just one guitar, so I'm gonna give you the basics for the song, the basic chords, and a strumming pattern that really works. So let's dive into this one. No need for any cape on this one. We have 4 chords. Let's take a look at those. So starting with the D minor. So that is open D, second G, third B, and first E. We have the C. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. We have F, that's a bar chord. You place a bar here on the first fret over all strings, and then the rest will be third on A, third on D, and second on G. And the final chord is the G. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Okay, so before we go into different parts, verse, pre-chorus, and chorus, and bridge, let's learn the strumming pattern. So grab the D minor, since that is the first chord. So one strumming round will be like this. So it's down, and then a pause, and then down, up, down, up. So down, down, up, down, up. Down, pause, down, up, down, up. So a couple rounds of that to get the feel for the rhythm. It sounds like this. What I like to do here is to play the first down a little more on the bass strings, and then I answer on the lower high strings there, the top strings, sorry, with the down, up, down, up. All right, so down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, with the first down on the bass. All right, that's just how I would like to sound when I play this song. So let's now look at the different parts. We have the verses. It's played in the same way. It's only 2 chords. It's D minor 1, C1. So D minor 1, C1 is 1 round. On both these verses, it's played for 2 times in the song, 2 verses. You're gonna play for 8 rounds. So D minor 1, C1 times 8, like this. 2, 3, 4, and like that. 8 rounds, and that's your verses. Let's look at the pre-choruses. And the first one and the second one has the same chord progression. It just differs a little bit on how to handle it. All right. So the first pre-chorus, it's D minor, 1 strumming round, the standard strumming we learned. Then C, 1 strumming round, and G, 2 strumming rounds. So that is 1 chord progression in the first pre-chorus: D minor, C, D minor 1, C1, G2. That's 3 chords you're gonna play for 2 rounds. That's the first pre-chorus. The second pre-chorus, you play the same D minor 1, C1, and G1. Why? Because you're gonna play just 1 down per chord, but you play them still for 2 chord progression rounds. So D minor 1, C1, G1, 1 down per chord, of course with a long pause in between there, and for 2 rounds, and that's your second pre-chorus. Then we have the choruses. We have 3 of them. All right. So the first and the second one is playing the same way, and the same actually goes with the third. I'm gonna leave that for now. But let's look at the choruses. You're gonna have the chord progression: D minor 1, F1, C1, and G1. Okay. So like this. F, C, G, D minor, F, C, G. So that is 1 chord progression: D minor, F, C, and G, 1 strumming per chord. And that chord progression, these 4 chords, you're gonna play for 4 rounds in both the first and the second chorus. I'm gonna leave the third chorus for now, because after the second chorus, you're gonna play verse, pre-chorus, chorus, verse, pre-chorus, chorus. That is, after the second chorus, about 3 minutes and 5 seconds into the song, comes a bridge part, all right? So this bridge goes with D minor 1, F1, G1, and D minor 1. Okay? So D minor 1, F1, G1, and D minor 1. That is 1 chord progression round. It starts and it ends with D minor. You play that for 4 rounds, and that is after the second chorus, about 3 minutes and 5 seconds into the song. And after this bridge part comes this final third chorus I talked about. You're gonna play in the same way as the previous choruses, the D minor 1, F1, C1, and G1. But now instead, this incorporates even a post-chorus part and kind of an outro part. So therefore, it's for 10 rounds, all right, guys? So 10 rounds of D minor, F, C, G. And that pretty much wraps it up for GVF Sacred Thread. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please let me know. Thumb up, leave a comment perhaps if you wish, and take care. Till next time, play tuned.